Good morning, students. Today we continue our fifth chapter, Inside the Atom. Today we start Bohr's stable orbit atomic model. Bohr's stable orbit atomic model. Bohr's in 1930. In the year of 1913, Danish scientist Niels Bohr explained the stability of atom by putting forth stable orbit atomic model. The important postulates of Bohr's atomic models are as follows. The electrons revolving around the atomic around the atomic nucleus lie in the concentric circular orbits and certain distance from the nucleus. बोर्स ने अपना मॉडल एक्सप्लेन किया एंड according to his model, atomic model, he stated that the electrons revolving around the atomic nucleus, which are concentric circular orbits in a certain distance, which are concentric circular orbits in a certain distance from the nucleus. एटम में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स न्यूक्लियस के आजू बाजू में जो रिवॉल्व होते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक डेफिनेट ऑर्बिट में न्यूक्लियस से एक सर्टेन डिस्टेंस रख के, मतलब ऐसा निश्चित डिस्टेंस रख के, डेफिनेट डिस्टेंस रख के वो रिवॉल्व होते हैं. According to him, second point is energy of an electron is constant while it is in a particular orbit. According to Bohr's, energy of an electron is constant while it is in a particular orbit. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्बिट में रहते हैं तो उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की एनर्जी कांस्टेंट रहती है. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की एनर्जी कांस्टेंट रहती है. Next is, when an electron jumps from an inner orbit to outer orbit, it absorbs energy equal to difference of its energy level, and when it jumps from an outer orbit to an inner orbit, it emits energy equal to the difference of its energy level. क्या होता है देखो, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इनर ऑर्बिट से आउटर ऑर्बिट में आता है, इनर ऑर्बिट से आउटर ऑर्बिट में आता है तो एनर्जी एब्सॉर्ब होती है एंड दिस एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू द डिफरेंस ऑफ इट्स एनर्जी लेवल. एंड व्हेन इलेक्ट्रॉन जम्प्स फ्रॉम आउटर ऑर्बिट टू इनर ऑर्बिट, वो आउटर ऑर्बिट से इनर ऑर्बिट में जाता है तो एनर्जी एमिट्स होती है. एनर्जी क्या होती है? एमिट्स होती है. मतलब एनर्जी गिव्स आउट when it coming from outer when it jumps from the outer orbit to inner orbit, and this energy is also equal to the difference of its energy level. This energy is also equal to the difference of its energy level. क्या बोला देखो, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इनर ऑर्बिट से आउटर ऑर्बिट में जंप होता है तभी एनर्जी एब्सॉर्ब होती है. क्या होती है? एनर्जी एब्सॉर्ब होती है और वो एब्सॉर्ब एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू द डिफरेंस ऑफ इट्स एनर्जी लेवल. एब्सॉर्ब एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू द डिफरेंस ऑफ इट्स एनर्जी लेवल. एंड व्हेन इलेक्ट्रॉन जम्प्स फ्रॉम द when electron jumps from the outer orbit to inner orbit, energy emits, means inner energy gives out, and this energy is also equal to the difference of the its energy level. next is see, do you know when table salt means sodium chloride is thrown on LPG gas stove flame, immediately yellow spark forms on that place. ये तो तुम लोगों ने देखा ही होगा, घर में जब हम लोग खाना बनाते हैं स्पेशली गर्ल्स तो क्या होते हैं, कभी कभी बाय मिस्टेक जो सॉल्ट जो है तो गैस जलते हुए गैस पे गैस स्टोव पे गिरा तो ऐसे स्पार्क्स आते हैं. क्या होता है? स्पार्क्स आते हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज इफ सोडियम मेटल पुट इन वाटर इट बर्न्स टू गिव येलो फ्लेम. बिकॉज सोडियम मेटल put in water it burns to give yellow flame. And on road sodium vapor lamp gives yellow color light. सोडियम वेपर लैम्प अभी रोड पे स्ट्रीट लाइट में लगाए होते हैं. सोडियम लाइट बोलते हैं ना, सोडियम लाइट मतलब वो सोडियम वेपर लैम्प होते हैं. और वो लैम्प्स ऑल्सो गिव्स येलो कलर लाइट. From all above example, the electron of sodium absorb energy and goes to outermost shell and come back to the inner shell by emitting energy, and the difference of energy level of these two shells of sodium is this difference is similar to energy of yellow light. मीन्स इसमें अभी हमने देखा बोहर्स का थर्ड पॉइंट उसने बोला है कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन इनर ऑर्बिट से आउटर ऑर्बिट में जाता है तो एनर्जी अब्सॉर्ब होती है, और इलेक्ट्रॉन जब आउटर ऑर्बिट से इनर ऑर्बिट में आता है तो एनर्जी इमिट्स होती है. गिव्स this rule is also seen in this example when sodium light absorb energy, electrons of sodium absorb energy and it goes to the outermost shell and come back to its inner shell by emitting the energy, and this difference of the energy difference is equal to the energy level of the two shells of the sodium electron, and so this difference is similar to energy of the yellow light, and therefore the sodium lamp emits the yellow color light. Okay, इधर तुम्हें फिगर 5.6 में दिखा है, देखो बोहर्स टेबल ऑर्बिट एटॉमिक मॉडल. इधर सोडियम एक एटम दिखाया है. एटम उस एटम में एन शेल, एम शेल, एल शेल, के शेल एंड पॉजिटिवली चार्ज प्रोटॉन, एंड के शेल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, एल शेल में 2 है, और एम शेल में 3 है, और एन शेल में 4 है. तो उसने दिखाया पॉजिटिवली चार्ज न्यूक्लियस, और वो एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर दिखाया है. क्या दिखाया? एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. देखो सम मोर एटॉमिक मॉडल्स वर पुट फोर्थ आफ्टर बोहर्स एटॉमिक मॉडल. एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर वाज studied at the depth with the advent of new branch of science, and this branch is called the quantum mechanics. With all those some well accepted fundamental principles of atomic structure are as follows. बोहर के बाद भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने एटम की स्टडी की, एंड also they put forth the structure of atom, and they studied the structure of atom at the depth with the advent of new branch of science, and this branch is called the quantum mechanics. And for this given the some fundamental principles of the atomic structure. Which are they? We see that first, atomic structure. What is the atomic structure? An atom is formed from the nucleus and the extranuclear part. This contains 3 types of subatomic particles. Atom is formed by the nucleus and some extranuclear part, and this extranuclear part contains 3 types of subatomic particles. First one is the nucleus. The atomic nucleus is positively charged. Almost entire mass of an atom is concentrated in the nucleus. The nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles together called nucleus. First particle is nucleus. Nucleus is a positively charged particle, and all the entire mass of the atom is concentrated at the nucleus of the atom. All the mass of the atom is concentrated at the nucleus of the atom, and nucleus also contains two subatomic particles. These two subatomic particles together called nucleons. And nucleons, which particles called nucleons? Protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons. These two particles are protons and neutrons. First one, proton. It is denoted by P. Proton is positively charged a subatomic particle in the atomic nucleus, and the positive charge on the nucleus is due to proton in it. We know that a proton is positively charged particle and it is in the nucleus, and due to the proton atom have the positive charge, and it is represented by letter P. It is represented by letter P, and charge of the proton is plus 1 electron plus 1 E. Means 1 E means what? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. 1 E means what? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and when the total positive charge on the nucleus is expressed in the unit E, its the magnitude is equal to the number of proton in the nucleus. प्रोटॉन का टोटल जो चार्ज होता है वो यूनिट ई में एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है, और दिस चार्ज इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स इन एन एटम. जितने प्रोटॉन होता है उतना वो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एटम पे होता है. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number of the element, and it is denoted by the Z. देखो, the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom means the number of atomic number of the element. Number of protons is denoted the atomic number of the element. Number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is denoted the atomic number of that element, and this atomic number is denoted by letter Z, and that is the mass of Z. Mass of one proton is approximately 1 mu, means 1 Dalton. 1 Dalton. Mass of one proton is equal to 1 Dalton, and 1 Dalton is approximately 1.66 into 10 raised to 27 kg. 1 Dalton is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to 27 kg. This is the mass of one hydrogen atom, is also approximately 1 Dalton. Now next is neutron. Neutron is an electrically neutral subatomic particle, and it is denoted by symbol N. Neutron electrically neutral रहता है. There is no any charge on the neutron, and this is denoted by small letter N. The number of neutron nucleus in the nucleus is denoted by the symbol capital N, and atomic nuclei of all the elements except hydrogen with atomic mass 1 Dalton contain neutrons. The mass of neutron is approximately 1 Dalton, which is almost equal to that of proton. O, neutron, number of neutron is denoted by letter capital N, and atomic nuclei of all the elements except hydrogen with atomic mass is 1 Dalton, and they contains neutron, and the mass of neutron is approximately 1 Dalton. Number of neutrons is equal to the number of protons. Okay, here we stop. You take some question. Explain Bohr's table orbit atomic model. Explain Bohr's stable orbit atomic model and its characteristic. Also explain the atomic structure. You complete these 2 questions and send me on WhatsApp. Thank you.